is another comfort food spot open in Kanata, and they are offering out of this world sandwiches and are also giving back to the community. Here with all the details this morning on Comfort Cravings, we have Shaky and Pradeep. Good morning to you both.
Good morning, Melissa.
Okay, you haven't even been open a month yet, but tell us more about Comfort Cravings.
So we hung out with our friend Louis for a long time, and we noticed whenever we got to talking, we always went back to food and how we grew up and the comfort food that we call home. So we wanted to bring something to the community of Ottawa, something they can relate back home with, just simple food. So that's how we came up with the idea of comfort food, hot dogs, sandwiches, and something to relate to everyone's hearts.
I love it. And you've been open not even a month yet. How's business been going so far?
It's pretty good. We've gotten good response. We've had people walk in, they love the food, and everyone who walks in, they can relate to the food. They're like, oh, I had that when I was young. This is very nice. And kids love the desserts.
And a real homage to the city of Ottawa, even as soon as you walk into your doors.
Yes, ma'am. We pay homage to all our patriots, all our people who made a difference in the community. Just like your husband who plays for the Red Blacks, we have his T-shirts up there.
Yeah,
we have the flag of from the Peace Tower. We have up there.
So when you look inside your restaurant, we're seeing it right now. There's a little bit of Ottawa kind of every corner of the restaurant, which is super cute. I love that. And looks like delicious food as well. Can you tell us a bit about the menu options?
So we have what we call the UFO sandwiches. They're basically sealed sandwiches.
Okay.
We have 6 different options. We have the Italian, the Montreal Crave, and we have rice bowls. We also have them as wraps.
Okay.
So for people who would like it in a handheld version, we have the wraps. Then these are snack-sized waffle dogs. This is what people go crazy for.
Okay.
So they're hot dogs wrapped in waffle batter.
Can I just maybe open one up to show everybody that there's actually a hot dog inside? Don't mind me, guys. Just want to show you that there is. Oh, no hot dog in this one? This one. Whoopsies, I picked the wrong one. I would do that. Oh yeah, I can feel the hot dog in this one. Look at that! A little hot dog inside. Oh my goodness, my kids would absolutely devour that. Tell us more about your sandwiches as well, because every month you have a special feature.
Yes, and that is what we live for, and that's what we'd like to show back, because we've always been someone who gives back to the community, and we wanted to do that with Comfort Cravings as well.
Okay.
So we call this a recipe for giving, where that's the heart of our brand. We ask all of you people of Ottawa to submit your recipes that you grew up with, a family recipe it can be, and we will select one out of those recipes. $2 of every sale of that sandwich will go back to a charity close to their heart.
So if I have this delicious homemade mac and cheese that my mom used to make, I could submit that recipe and you guys can turn it into a sandwich for us?
Of course.
That's
we can make whatever
incredible.
work, and that is what UFO is. It's ultimately filled objects.
That's incredible. So many delicious items. Can you tell us a bit more about some of the different rice bowls we're seeing on set?
So most of our rice bowls are all chicken bowls. This one is the Chicken 67 bowl, which pays homage to the Ottawa 67s.
Incredible.
Comes on a bed of rice, coleslaw, and chicken. And this is our veggie bowl, a mix of vegetables and roasted potatoes in our signature flavored sauce.
Ooh.
And this is what we call a meatball madness. It's one of our signature dishes. On toasted bread, it's a meatball with meat sauce all over it.
Wow, incredible. And then we also have the waffle dogs. Of course, we touched a little bit on the sandwiches. Let's talk about this dessert tray over here, because this looks mighty fantastic.
Yes, so every meal requires a dessert to finish off.
Absolutely.
And we call these the shaky waffle dogs, the choco batter dogs.
And so what is your waffle dog all about?
So it's a plain waffle dog with vanilla cream.
Okay.
And we drizzle salted caramel over it with a side of whipped cream.
Oh, that sounds really good. That sounds delicious. And I also see a bunch of different smoothies on the menu as well.
Yes, that's right. This is 2 of the varieties we do have currently. One is the mango cranberry and the mango vanilla. We are working on more to come up with a mango coconut and maybe a mango maple.
Okay, let's show the sandwich we got on set here today. Ready to be cut in half. Look at that. UFO imprinted on the sandwich. Which one's inside? What do we have in here?
This one, I would like to say, it is one of the very first recipe for giving menu items.
Okay.
We call it the Zorzi sandwich.
Zorzi.
Thanks to Marcos and Kayla.
Yeah.
So it's a sandwich they grew up with, and this is what we'll be doing, and it's right in front here.
Okay, so what's inside?
It comes with mayo that has oregano in it, roast beef, tomatoes, and spiced pickles.
Wow, and have they had the opportunity to try their sandwich?
Yes, they walked in 10 minutes after we made the sandwich and called them in. They were like, we've been waiting for it.
Oh my goodness.
So she was like, baby mama's hungry and we're coming in.
And what was
they
the
lo-
reaction like when they saw
loved
it?
the sandwich.
Yeah.
They couldn't say enough about it.
Oh my goodness, that's incredible. So how can people submit it? They just go to your restaurant and they can submit those recipes?
Yes, so we have two ways we're accepting recipes. For now, you can walk in and we have a poster on the wall.
Yeah.
So you read it and you can come ask our staff how to do it.
Yeah.
Or you can just send us an email at kccomfort@comfortcravings.ca and we're ready to take in your recipes.
Oh, incredible. And where can people find you? Because I'm sure we've made everybody a little bit hungry here this hour.
So we are located in Kanata Centrum. The exact location is 145 Roland Mishner Drive, right behind the Boston Pizza in that strip.
Okay, incredible. Well, thank you both for
Thank you
joining
very
us
much,
today.
Patricia.
We truly appreciate it. And if you have an idea for us in our daily dish, we would love to hear from you. The best way to reach us, ottawa.morning@ctv.ca.